Good morning, students. Let's solve exercise 2.2 question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. Okay. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? So what we have to find, how many notes of each denomination does she have? Okay, that we have to find. So let the number of notes of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 we'll consider 2x, 3x and 5x. Because see what is the ratio it is given, 2:3:5. Okay, so write here. Let the numbers of notes of rupees 100, see rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 be what we will consider, see 2x, 3x and 5x, because see what is the ratio given, 2:3:5. So be 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. Okay, so now value of rupees 100, see so the value of rupees 100, okay, now value of rupees 100 is 2, see what we have considered for 100, it is 2x, okay, so 2x into 100, okay, see let the numbers of notes of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 be 2x, 3x and 5x. So value of rupees 100 how much it is, 2x, so 2x into 100, what you will get, 2x into 100, 200, okay, so 200x, 2x into 100 means 200x. Now value of rupees 50, value of rupees 50, rupees 50, see what it is, 3x, so 3x into 50, okay, so 53s are 150, so 150x, and then value of rupees 10, value of rupees 10, rupees 10 is 5x, okay, so 5x into 10, so 10 5s are 50, so 50x, okay. Now what it is given in the question, the total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupees. Okay. Total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupees. So we'll add this. Okay. So according to question, see 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakh. Okay. Is equal to 4 lakh. Why we have done this? Understood. Lakshmi is cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination 100, 50 and 10. The ratio of the numbers of these notes is 2:3:5. So what we have taken that 2x, 3x and 5x. So what we have done, we have find the value of rupees 100, that is 200. Value of rupees 50, that is 3x into 50, 150x, and then value of rupees 10, that is 5x into 10, 50x, and after that what it is given, the total cash with Lakshmi is, okay, with this money total cash what it is, 4 lakh rupees, okay. So how many notes of each denomination, that we have to find, okay. So now 200 plus 150 plus 50, how much you will get, 400, okay, so 400, so 400x is equal to this 4 lakh rupees. Okay, now 400 is here multiplied. If we will transfer to this side, then it will become divide. So 4 lakh divided by 400. So x is equal to, now this 0 get cancel. What will remain? 4,000 upon 4 means you will get the value of x. X is equal to 1,000. Okay, x is equal to 1,000. So see here, 4 ones are 4. Here 1,000 you will get. So value of x we got 1,000. So x value we got 1,000. The number of rupees 100 notes. What we have to find? What it is asked, how many notes each denomination does we have? So we'll find first number of rupees 100 notes, how much we have. Okay, so see here. So see here, therefore number of rupees 100 notes. Okay, so number of rupees 100 notes, how much it is? 2x. See what we have taken, 2x na. Let the number of notes of rupees 100, that is 2x. For 50 it is 3x, and for 10 it is 5x. So number of rupees 100 notes, what we have? 2x. So put the value of x in this. 2 into 1000. So what we got? 2000. So number of 100 rupees notes 2000. 2000 notes of 100 rupees have. Okay, now next, number of rupees 50 notes. What we will find? Number of rupees 50 notes. Number of rupees 50 notes. Okay, rupees 50 notes, how much we have? 3x. Okay, 3x we have taken na. So 3x. So 3 multiplied by x value is 1000. So right here 1000. So 3 into 1000, 3000. So 50 rupees. How many notes are there? 50 rupees. 3000 notes. Okay. Number of rupees 10 notes. Okay. Number of rupees 10 notes. Number of rupees 10 notes. Okay. 10 rupees, how much notes we have? So what it is? 5x. We have taken number of notes of 10, that is 5x. So 5 into 1000. So that is 5000. Okay. So what we got? Number of rupees 10 notes 5000. So what it was asked the question, how many notes of each denomination does she have? So rupees 100 2000 notes, rupees 50 3000 notes, and rupees 10 5000 notes she have. Let's solve question number 15. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. Okay, the number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. See here, the number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. So first we should know the number of rupees 5 coins. So we need to consider that is x. Okay, the total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denominations are with me? Okay, right now I have told you the number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. So first we should know the number of rupees 5 coins. So let the number of rupees 5 coins be x. Okay, we will consider the number of rupees 5 coins be x. So right here, let the number of rupees 5 coins be x. Okay, so rupees 5 coins we consider x. Okay, rupees 5 coins we consider x. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times of these. So then the number of rupees 2 coins, how much it is? See, the number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Okay, number of rupees 5 coins is x. So it's 3 times, means what it will come? 3x. See here, the number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of 5 coins. Number of 5 coins x. So it's 3 times, means it is 3x. Okay. Now after that, how will get the number of rupees 1 coin? The number of rupees 1 coins. Okay. What it is given in the question? Denomination of rupees 1, 2 and 5. So 5 we consider x. The number of rupees 2 coins we got 3x. Okay. Now what it is given in the question? We need to know the number of rupees 1 coins. So how we will get the number of rupees 1 coins? It is given in the question. The total number of coins is 160. Total it is 160. So from total, if we will subtract the 5 rupees coins and 2 rupees coins. Okay. 5 rupees coins it is considered x and 2 rupees coins it is 3x. So 3x plus x, 4x. So we will subtract this both from 160. So we will get the 1 rupees coins. How much? 1 rupees coins means from total if we will subtract the rupees 5 rupees coins and 2 rupees coins, means that is x and 3x. That is 3x and x, it is 4x. So we will subtract 4x. Okay. Now what we have to find? Value of rupees 5 coins. Okay. Value of rupees 5 coins. Value of rupees 5 coins. Now see, rupees 5 coins what we consider? X. So value of rupees 5 coins, x into 5. We will multiply by this 5. Okay. So what we got here? 5x. 5x. Now value of rupees 2 coins. Okay. So write here value of rupees 2 coins. Okay. Value of rupees 2 coins, that is 3x. So 3x. 3x into 2. How will find? Well, multiplied by 2. 2 rupees coin, so multiplied by 2. Number of rupees 2 coins it is 3x. So 3x and rupees 2 we have to multiply by 2. So 3x into 2, 6x we got. Okay. Now value of rupees 1 coin. Okay. What we have to find? Value of rupees 1 coin. Value of rupees 1. Value of rupees 1 coin. So that is now, what is number of rupees 1 coin? That is 160 minus 4x multiplied by 1. Value of rupees 1. So multiplied by 1 for this. So if you multiplied by 1 for this number, you are going to get again same 160 minus 4x. What is given in the question? I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination. What is given in the question? In question it is given, I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination. Rupees 300 coins of denomination. So we need to add this all. So we need to add this all. Rupees 5 coins, rupees 2 coins and rupees 1 coin. Okay. So we'll add this. See here we will add this 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x. Okay. Is equal to 300. Why it is 300? Because what it is given, I have total of rupees 300 coins. Coins how much? Rupees 300 coin. In coins of denomination 1, 2 and 5. Denomination rupees 1, 2 and 5. So we have to add this rupees 1, 2 and 5. Okay. So let's solve this equation now. Now you know to solve the equation. First what we will do, we will open the bracket. 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to 300. Okay. Now what we will do, like term we will add. Which are the like term? 5x, 6x. This will add. What you will get? 5x plus 6x, 11x. Okay. This 160. Write as it is. 160 minus 4x is equal to 300. Now what we will do? This 160 will transfer to the right hand side. So what will remain here? 11x minus 4x is equal to 300 minus 160. Okay, now 11x minus 4x, how much it is? 7x is equal to 300 minus 160, 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 6, 4, and here 1. Now 7x, 7 is here multiplied. If we will transfer to this side, then it will become divide. So x is equal to 140 divided by 7. So what we got? X is equal to 20. 140 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 zeros are 0. So what we got? X value we got 20. Okay. So after that what we will do? Now number of rupees 5 coins. Okay. So what we will write here? Number of rupees 5 coins. Number of rupees 5 coins. Okay, number of rupees 5 coins, what we consider? X. What it is? Value x is equal to 20. So 20. How many coins? 20. Number of rupees 2 coins. Now number of rupees 2 coins. Okay. Number of rupees 2 coins, what it is given? We consider here 3x. Na? It is given. Na? It's 3 times of 5 rupees coins. So 3x it is. Okay. So put the value of x in this. 3 into 20. That is 60. So what we got? 60. And last one, that is number of rupees 1 coin. See here. Number of rupees 1 coin. See, number of rupees 1 coin, what it is? See, 160 minus 4x. So right there, 160 minus 4x. 160 minus 4x. So now 160 minus 4x. X value is 20. So 4 multiplied by 20. Okay. So first what we will do, we will multiply. Okay. Write this minus sign as it is. 4. 24s are 80. 160. So 160 minus 80. What we got? 80. So what we got? Answer. See here. Number of rupees 5 coins we got 20. Number of rupees 2 coins we got 60. And number of rupees 1 coin we got 80. Okay.